In this video, we are going to see how to send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets. So here, every time a new row is added in my spreadsheet, let's say that it is the data of some new lead, then automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to the lead. How can that happen? For this, we are integrating these two applications using Pabbly Connect. Here, our trigger application will be Google Sheets and our action application will be WhatsApp. Now, I can show you this integration in just 5 minutes. So let me take you to my screen. So this here is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect software. We can reach here by signing up. The link for sign up is there in the description box. Now once you have signed up, here you can see a tab create workflow. Let's click on this. What is my objective here? To send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets, and I'm going to show you about this integration in 5 minutes. Let's click on create. As we do that, here we have reached another window, and this has got two important concepts or principles on which this entire automation works. So we have got trigger and action. So trigger here says when this happens, and action is do this. In this integration, your trigger application will be Google Sheets. Then we have a trigger event. So this is the event that is going to make this workflow start, and here it will be a new row. So every time a new row would be added, so this workflow is going to run. Now you can see here we have received a webhook URL. I'm going to copy this. And then we have the following help text. Please read this carefully. Now let me show you exactly what you have to do. So this here is the spreadsheet that I've created. The name is New Leads. How do we integrate this with Pabbly Connect? Let's go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons. Here we have reached Google Workspace Marketplace. Let's look for Pabbly Connect webhooks. So here it is. Now here you can see that this application has already been installed. So please make sure that you install this, then close this. Refresh this page. This is absolutely important, and once this is refreshed, wait for a few seconds. So then we are going to go back to extensions, and here you would be able to see Pabbly Connect webhooks. Let's click on this initial setup. So you can see this is the page where the webhook URL will be set up. Copy this, go back to the spreadsheet, and here I'm going to paste the same. Next is the trigger column. Now the trigger column is the final data column where the data is added. As per this sheet, our data has been added in column D. So this is the last column. Let's mention this. Click on submit. So we can see that the configuration is set, send test. And here you can see that the test data has been sent successfully. So once this is done, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here you can see we have received the response. So this here is the trigger column, then we have the name of the spreadsheet ID, sheet name, sheet ID, then we have the row index, and then the details of row 2, which is this particular row. Okay, now we want that every time a new data is added here, then automatically the information should be sent to Pabbly Connect. To make sure this happens, go to extensions once again, Pabbly Connect webhooks. Here you can see send on event, click on this. As you do that, let's go back to extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and you would be able to see a check mark right in front, which means that now on every event, the information would be sent to Pabbly Connect. Okay. Taking you back to Pabbly Connect, here we have received the response. Now on the basis of this, we want to send a WhatsApp message to the person. For this, I'm going to choose an action application, which is interact. Let's click on this. And the action event here would be to send WhatsApp template message. Let's click on connect. Here Pabbly Connect wants to connect itself with the interact account. For this, let's select add new connection. Now to set up this connection, we need the secret key. So to do this, first you have to log into your interact account, and then we have the following hyperlink. Let's click on this. Here we have reached developer settings. Let's copy the secret key from this, and now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. Paste this over here and click on save to set up this connection. Now to send this message, we have to first map the phone number. Now either you can fill in the first two fields or the third field. Now here in the response, you can see I have received the country code as well as the phone number. So I'm going to fill in the third field, and I'm going to map this information. You can see the previous step. Let's click on this, and this here is the number. Here I'm just going to add plus sign. Now this method with which I have added the information here is known as mapping, and this is important so that every time the workflow runs, it can take the new data into consideration. Next is the template code name. Now these templates are pre-written messages that can be customized and sent to the user. And here I'm going to click on this hyperlink to show you the templates that I have already created. Now I'm going to take you to this particular template that I have created, which is new contact. when you're creating a template, first you have to name it, select the category, language, then you can add a header like a text, an image, video or document. I have selected none. Here in the body it is written hi, then we have a number within double curly braces, and then we have the message, again subscription, and then we have another number within double curly braces. These numbers are variables which can be changed with every message that you're sending. Here we need the template code name, so this here is the template code. Now I'm going to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste the same. Since the language selected is English, the code here will be EN. Then we have the header value, so we did not select one, so this is going to be blank. Body variable values. So here we had two body variables. One was the name, another one was the name of the company. Let's go to step 1. So this here is the first name, then let's give a space, and then this here is the last name. Let's put a comma. Here I'm going to write the name of the company manually because this is a static information and it is not going to change. Now since we did not select any CTA button, so we are going to leave these two fields blank, and let's click on save and send test request. So here we have received the API response. Let's go and check the same. And here you can see we have received the message. So this means that our integration is a complete success. Now I'm going to check this integration in real time. So here I have added another information, and let's click on enter. And as soon as I do that, let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see that we have received another message. So this means that our integration is a complete success. Taking you back to Pabbly Connect, let me show you what we have done. So here our trigger application was Google Sheets, where the event was new or updated spreadsheet row, and our action application was Interact, where the event was send WhatsApp template message. So I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can always write to us. Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.